Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Currently 6 a.m. in the morning and today I'm flying to Istanbul, which is just a turnaround flight. So yes, turnaround, we have layover as well, which I just did like last week, and this is gonna be just a turnaround. So I'm gonna go now and then come back in the evening. Yes, so currently I'm having my coffee and I have packed my breakfast, which I'm gonna eat in the aircraft because I try to avoid aircraft food as much as I can, but बहुत मुश्किल होता है ये, but still I try to avoid. बस निकलने का time हो गया, I'm almost dressed and चलो चलते. And it's gonna be a very quick vlog today, like very short vlog, because it's just a turnaround, no hotel view or no layover thingies. मेरा bag भी pack हो गया है already. Just one pair of uniform, extra pair of uniform रहता है, and jacket and apron and makeup, cabin shoes, and just some stuff. That's all. And this is the diary which I always keep with me, and just some of my accessories. So let's do some flight preparation quickly because मैंने flight preparation में नहीं कर रखी. Like this I always do the flight preparation. जैसे ये है ये backpacks, I collect the backpacks just like this with the flight number, just for the memory of the flight I have done, and I always write my position, like which position I worked in this flight for Istanbul. Most of the time जो ये flight preparation है वो मैं करती हूँ बस में, because it's from this accommodation to the CBC, which is crew briefing center. It takes like around 25 minutes. So वो बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम भी उस टाइम पीरियड में हमेशा मैं flight preparation करती हूँ, but अभी मेरे पास टाइम है, so I'm doing it. Just remember, वॉच पहनना भूल गई मैं. अभी मेरी वाट लग जाती जब मुझे बस में याद आता कि मैं वॉच भूल गई हूँ. So this is my lunch box, which I prepare in the morning. There you go. In Turkey, the weather here is so windy. And that's our big 787 Dreamliner. It's a big airport. So now I'm waiting for the bus, and the bus is like in 20 minutes from now. God, I'm so tired and so exhausted. It was a long day. Hi guys. So मैं पहुंच गई थी घर पे. As you can see, मैं already bed पे हूँ. I quickly took shower and then now I am in my bed. बस सोना है. बहुत लंबा दिन था ये. Like morning 5 बजे उठ गई थी and अभी रात के 10:30 हो रहे हैं. मैं भी accommodation पहुंची हूँ around 10 o'clock. So it's a really long day. But हाँ, ये flight always ऐसा ही होता है. But then again, I have tomorrow flight Bombay, which is at 1 p.m. reporting 1 p.m. है. So मुझे अभी सो जाना चाहिए. So guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I know ये बहुत short था, but it's just a day in my life. ये सब होता है, जाओ आओ सो जाओ. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my vlog. See you soon with another vlog, and till then be safe and safe skies. Bye bye.